Weather forecasting and winning the Powerball. I know it may not seem like a correlation, but hear me out. We've all heard the odds are 1 out of 292,201,338, but this is such a huge number, it's hard to wrap our minds around it. So let's look at this a different way. I'm going to bring in 2 football fields. That's 100 yards of grass times 2. Now I'm going to bring in 1 red blade of grass. Do you see the contrast here? Now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to plant this blade of grass about the 40-yard line of field number 1. Now here's where you come in. I'm going to blindfold you. No, wait, I really don't need to blindfold you. I'm just going to ask you to walk out on the field of your choice and pick 1 blade of grass. If you get the red blade of grass, that's what 292 million to 1 odds looks like. Now let's compare that to our 20% chance of rain today. Here you have 10 blades of grass and 2 of them are painted red. And if you pick the red ones, you're getting rain. That's a totally different perspective on the chance of rain this week. Now if I had a nickel for every time someone told me you said it wouldn't rain today with the forecast being 20%, I'd have $333 million. But seriously, Dr. Burdell Mons of East Carolina University said this: if people understood probability, they wouldn't buy lottery tickets. In fact, you have a lot better chance of being struck by lightning twice. That's 1 in 19 million. Being attacked by a shark, 1 in 5 million. Becoming president of the United States, the odds are 1 in 32.6 million.
So you're saying there's a chance.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew that line was coming. And by the way, when the lottery gets this high, what happens is basically all the numbers get picked. So if you think of it this way, every blade of grass is getting picked.
Right.
So there's a point where the lottery gets so large that there's a guaranteed winner.
Well, that's, I interviewed a statistics professor a long time ago on this. He said the chances of you winning are very, very small, but the chances of somebody winning very, very high for that. For that reason.
And that's why we stand in line and buy those tickets. Okay. Anthony, thank you.